Hey guys, welcome back to SG Karma Reviews. Today we are taking a little short break from the Singapore Motor Show to head down to Wheelers Estate in Seletar. And it looks like there are a lot of BMWs here. Well, it kind of looks like a meetup, but it's actually BMW M Club Owners Singapore annual general meeting and dinner and dance. And they brought some exciting looking toys out, so let's take a look.
Let's go.
Now that the festivities are done, of course, these are the really fantastic cars you want to look out for, like this M4, but more importantly, also the car that you've seen at the Singapore Motor Show, the M3 Touring. So in a time where Evo wagons are long gone, it's at least nice to have something like the Octavia Combi RS and the Cupra Leon Sports Tourer. And so now BMW bringing in the M3 Touring is really going to make a lot of people happy. And also check out this dual level boot opening. So you can do this. I don't know, this would be great for our rolling shot. So BMW, please bless us with one. And of course, otherwise, open it up from the power tailgate.
Our president of M Club, Mr. Oi Kang Yang, right, to come up and say a few words. Right, Kang Yang, please, right, open your address.
For myself, I want to remind you guys what we are all about and to share with our guests about M Club. Most of us here have been in the club for years, 5, 6 years. We refuse to speak to Mercedes or Volkswagen or anything like that, just for one reason. Our members, our friends. We take one another like our own family.
Mr. Nelson.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. As you'll see on the screen, my name is Lars Nielsen. I'm the Managing Director from BMW Group Asia.
Other than the M3 Touring, BMW also introduces to M Club owners the incoming M2. Driving enthusiasts can rejoice with this rear-wheel drive pocket rocket powered by a 3-litre inline-6 engine with M twin power turbo. The M2 is tuned for 454 brake horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque, doing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.1 seconds with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission. Limited units of the M2 will also be available in Purist Edition, featuring M bucket seats with an M driver's package, raising the top speed from 250 to 290 kilometers per hour, and most importantly, a 6-speed manual.
Wheelers Estate, place to go to, you want good music, good food, good fun. Here's the Hamid Prize, the team of the rock set, the 50 dollars concert are going to. Alright, we will see. Are you ready?
For those who don't know me exactly, I've been with the M Club for about 3 years now. My first year I was a regular member, my second year I was on the OB, my third year I was a regular member again.
That's really a long-term relationship we have with BMW Group ever since a long time ago. I was born 96. It's been a while.
the end of the sharing segment, and actually from now until 10, right, it's actually a free and easy.
So that's it. That's a very brief glimpse into the life of an M Club owner inside Singapore. And here it is with the M3 Touring and the M4. And this time we're actually listening to it with the engine on because we didn't get to see that at the motor show. So thank you very much to BMW for this experience. And if you are still watching, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, as well as follow us on TikTok. We are at SG Karma. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. And if you look over there, there's actually an M3 competition. The new one with the new fancy grills. I dropped something on my shoe.
That's not coming, right?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
If not, then I don't need hose already. No, I'll be outside.